Why did humans lose their fur? Homo sapiens is the only naked primate. Every single other ape is covered in body hair. Humans only have patches of hair on their bodies. But our evolutionary ancestors had dense fur. So why did we lose it? One theory is that naked skin encourages more sweating. This would have made hunting in daylight easier. Losing fur may also have had psychological value. It allowed humans to read each other's emotional responses better. A third theory says we lost our hair to fight parasites. All this is pure conjecture, of course, but there are some solid biological and genetic findings. Surprisingly, scientists still can't explain why humans have hair at all. Nobody knows why the hair on our scalp grows long, for example. Many mammals have what is known as plantar skin. In some species it is hairless, while in others it's covered in fur. The difference is in the amount of an inhibitor protein, DKK2. Mice have hairless plantar regions and also high levels of DKK2. DKK2 blocks hair growth. This partially explains how skin becomes hairless. But the question still remains, why did it happen to humans? There are obvious reasons for not having hairy palms or wrists. This makes using tools much easier by providing better grip. But what about the rest of the body? One theory posited that human ancestors were once semi-aquatic. They were hunter-gatherers in African savannas. During the dry season, they would move to oases and lakesides. They had to wade in the water to collect shellfish and edible tubers. Hair provides poor insulation in water. Could that be why humans lost their fur? The aquatic ape theory has fallen out of favor. A more popular theory is thermoregulation. The earliest hominids inhabited cool, shady forests. Once they moved into the savanna, fur became a nuisance. Naked skin is a better way to prevent overheating. This was when humans also developed a large number of sweat glands. Other primates produce very little sweat. Sweat is what keeps us cool when it's hot. Humans also produced fire and clothing. These inventions made fur less necessary. The hair on our heads may be there to protect us from overheating. Pubic hair could be there to retain secreted pheromones. Finally, the emotional response theory is tied to the specifics of human vision. Many animals have two types of color-detecting cones in their eyes. Humans have three. The third cone enables us to detect many hues in the middle of the spectrum. Being able to see this range of shades is unnecessary for hunting. Most mammals have no need for it. Some scientists say it gives us an evolutionary advantage. We can detect each other's emotions by observing the changes in the skin. A greenish or bluish tint can indicate illness. Blushing can indicate attraction. A deeper shade of red can signal anger. But we wouldn't be able to see any of it with fur in the way. So maybe we became naked to read each other better. Ultimately, it was probably a combination of many factors.